Welcome to the channel, friends. Today, we embark on an exciting journey through the bustling first arrondissement of central Paris, France, where a plethora of historic buildings and unique architecture await, alongside many local businesses, including restaurants and popular tourist areas. But before we delve into the cobblestone streets, let's discover some curious and fascinating facts about this tourist destination. Paris, the City of Light, has been at the epicenter of historical events and cultural movements. From the French Revolution to the Renaissance, the city has played a pivotal role in shaping the course of history, making it a living tapestry of the past. In the present day, Paris maintains its status as a cultural capital. The city's commitment to the arts is evident in its world-class museums, galleries, and theaters. The Louvre, housing masterpieces like the Mona Lisa, and the contemporary Centre Pompidou are magnets for art enthusiasts. The downtown area, including districts like Le Marais and the First Arrondissement, showcases a harmonious blend of historical and modern architecture. The preservation of historic buildings alongside contemporary structures creates a captivating urban landscape. Strategic location. The First Arrondissement, also known as the Louvre, sits in the heart of Paris, embracing the Seine River. It serves as the ideal starting point for exploring many of the city's iconic landmarks. Impressive architecture. Get ready to be amazed by the majestic architecture that graces every corner. From the imposing Notre Dame Cathedral to the elegant Haussmannian buildings, each structure tells a unique story. Iconic boulevards. The wide boulevards, such as the Champs-Élysées and Rue de Rivoli, symbolize Parisian urban planning. They offer not only an avenue for luxury shopping but also a grand architectural spectacle. Unforgettable gastronomy. Paris is a culinary paradise, and the First Arrondissement is no exception. From charming cafes to gourmet restaurants, the gastronomic offerings are as diverse as they are delicious. Louvre Museum. We can't forget the famous Louvre Museum. Home to the Mona Lisa and an immense art collection, it is a must-visit for culture enthusiasts. Now, let's explore why the First Arrondissement of Paris is so popular among tourists. Strategic location. The First Arrondissement serves as the epicenter of Parisian magic. With iconic attractions within walking distance, such as the Eiffel Tower, the Louvre, and Notre Dame Cathedral, visitors find convenience and accessibility. Historical architecture. Architecture enthusiasts are drawn to the wealth of ancient buildings. The fusion of styles, from Gothic to Baroque, creates a visually stunning environment. Shopping and gastronomy. From chic boutiques to local markets, the First Arrondissement offers a unique shopping experience. Additionally, the gastronomic variety, from street crepes to gourmet dinners, satisfies every palate. Culture and art. The presence of the Louvre, along with numerous galleries and theaters, turns the arrondissement into a cultural haven. Visitors can immerse themselves in the art and history of the City of Light. Charming atmosphere. Strolling through the cobblestone streets, enjoying coffee on a terrace, and soaking up the Parisian elegance contribute to the popularity of the First Arrondissement. The blend of historical charm and contemporary vitality makes it a unique destination. Stroll along the Seine. Take a leisurely stroll along the Seine River, appreciating the picturesque views of historic bridges and charming riverside architecture. Consider hopping on a river cruise for a unique perspective of Paris. Tuileries Garden. Adjacent to the Louvre, the Tuileries Garden provides a tranquil oasis in the heart of the city. Enjoy a peaceful walk among the manicured lawns, statues, and fountains. It's a perfect spot for a morning coffee or a moment of reflection. Afternoon indulgences. Rue de Rivoli shopping. For a dose of retail therapy, head to Rue de Rivoli. This bustling street is lined with shops ranging from high-end boutiques to unique Parisian stores. Find the perfect souvenir or indulge in some luxury shopping. Café culture. Paris is synonymous with café culture. Pause for a delightful lunch at a sidewalk cafe. Order a croissant, a classic French baguette sandwich, or perhaps a savory crepe while soaking in the vibrant atmosphere. Palais Royal. Explore the elegant Palais Royal and its beautiful gardens. The juxtaposition of modern art installations with the historic architecture creates a visually intriguing experience. Don't miss the iconic black and white striped columns. Evening delights. Dinner in Le Marais. Venture into the neighboring Le Marais district for a diverse culinary experience. This trendy area is known for its eclectic mix of restaurants, offering everything from traditional French cuisine to international flavors. Notre Dame Cathedral. As the sun sets, make your way to the Notre Dame Cathedral. Witness the cathedral bathed in the golden hues of twilight and take a moment to admire its Gothic splendor. Consider joining an evening tour to learn about its rich history. Seine River Cruise at night. Wrap up your day with a magical Seine River cruise at night. Marvel at the illuminated landmarks along the riverbanks, including the Eiffel Tower and the Louvre. It's a romantic and enchanting way to conclude your exploration of District 1. The most famous street food dishes that make the streets of Paris a culinary paradise. Crepes, a Parisian classic. The sidewalk staple. No exploration of Parisian street food is complete without indulging in a warm, thin crepe. Whether filled with Nutella, strawberries, or classic sugar and lemon, these delicate delights are a must-try. Seek out a street vendor or a creperie for an authentic experience. Croissants, breakfast on the go. Flaky perfection. Parisians have mastered the art of crafting the perfect croissant, and enjoying one on the go is a quintessential experience. Golden brown, buttery, and incredibly flaky, these pastries are a delightful start to the day. Pair it with a cup of coffee for the ultimate Parisian breakfast. Baguettes, the ultimate street snack. French elegance in every bite. The iconic baguette is not just a loaf of bread, it's a cultural emblem. Grab a fresh baguette from a local boulangerie and enjoy it with cheese, charcuterie, or simply on its own as you stroll through the charming streets of Paris. Macarons, sweet perfection. Colorful confections, macarons are not just a treat, they're an art form. These delicate almond meringue cookies sandwiching flavorful fillings come in a rainbow of colors and flavors. Pick up a box from La Doury or Pierre Herme for a sweet taste of Parisian elegance. Falafel, Middle Eastern flair. Crispy and flavorful. Head to the Marais district for a taste of Paris's vibrant Jewish quarter, where falafel reigns supreme. Crispy chickpea fritters, fresh veggies, and flavorful sauces stuffed into pita bread create a delicious and satisfying street food experience. Escargot, adventurous bites. Snails with a twist. For the more adventurous foodies, sampling escargot from a street vendor is a unique Parisian experience. Served in a savory garlic and parsley butter, these snails showcase the city's culinary diversity. Croque monsieur, classic comfort food. Grilled goodness. Sink your teeth into a classic croque monsieur, a grilled ham and cheese sandwich elevated to gourmet status. This comforting delight can be found in bistros and street-side cafes throughout Paris. Hot chocolate, liquid bliss. Decadent delight. While not a solid food, Parisian hot chocolate is a must-mention. Thick, rich, and often served with a side of whipped cream, it's the perfect indulgence on a chilly day. Galettes, savory crepes. Heartier options, galettes are savory crepes made with buckwheat flour and filled with an array of ingredients like cheese, ham, and eggs. These heartier crepes are a favorite for a quick and satisfying meal. Beignets, sweet doughy goodness. Deep-fried delight. The traditionally associated with New Orleans, beignets have found their way to the streets of Paris. These deep-fried donuts dusted with powdered sugar are an irresistible treat. Now, join me as we walk through the bustling streets of the first arrondissement, exploring the authentic essence of Paris. And don't forget to share and comment on this video so that more people can immerse themselves in the beauty of this Parisian destination. See you soon, friends.